Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. You go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on notification settings. You come to next step here, then you click here on your name, you just click on it. So you come to next step here, you come here to custom Velo notification, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here custom Velo notification enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I give it. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. That's all. Thank you for your watching.